Is your Windows 11 PC feeling slow or using a huge amount of RAM when you aren't even doing anything? If you look at your task manager and see your memory usage spiking over 60% with just the desktop open, you have a problem. Windows is reserving memory for features you likely don't even use. In this video, I am going to show you exactly which hidden settings to disable to reclaim that memory to make your PC faster. To start, go down to your search bar and type in Services. After that, you want to click on the System app that appears with the gear icon called Services. Once this window opens, it shows you all the background processes running on your computer. We need to find a specific service called SysMain that eats up a lot of performance. Scroll down the list until you find SysMain. In older versions of Windows, this was known as Superfetch. This service is designed to preload apps, but on modern systems with SSDs, it often causes high disk and memory usage for no real benefit. Right-click on it and select Properties. You will see the startup type is set to Automatic. Click that drop-down menu and change it to Disabled. Then click Apply and hit OK to save the changes. Now, close that window. We have one more major resource hog to fix. Right-click on an empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. In the Personalization menu, look for the Widgets option. By default, Windows keeps this turned on, which runs a heavy web browser process in the background just to update news and weather you probably don't even use. Toggle this switch to Off immediately. That is all it takes. Close everything down and restart your PC. You should notice a significant drop in your idle RAM usage and a smoother experience overall. If this guide helped you speed up your computer, please hit that subscribe button for more Windows optimization tips.